Good morning, all of you. My name is Hema, and again I welcome you in our today's mathematics class. You know what we will learn today? Yes, our today's topic is addition. You have already read so many things about addition. So what is new about this video? New thing is today we will do our math book exercises. You know how many books we have? We have two books. One is math workbook and the second is math express. So today we will learn about addition facts and do some exercises in our math express book. Okay, but before that, let's give a quick recap of what do you mean by addition. Addition means putting the things together. Addition means putting the things together. What do you mean by together? Now look at the picture. In the first picture, 4 penguins are there, right? And now there is a plus symbol. It means we are doing addition of this 4 penguin with next 3 penguins. Look at this, 1, 2, and 3. And the end, there is a symbol of equal to, right? So what we will get after this equal to symbol? When we put the things together, then we will get our final answer that we call sum. What we call? Sum. Now tell me, if these 4 penguins we add to 3 penguins, how many penguins we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. When we put all the penguins together, then we have 7 penguins as our answer. Okay, that is correct. This is with the help of the picture we can do putting the things together. But what about mathematics? In mathematics, instead of picture, we use numbers. Like 4 penguins were there. 3 more penguins come. More penguins. What do you mean by more? It means we are putting the symbol of plus in between these two. And at last, how many we get? 7. So in between, we will use 2 symbols plus in between 4 and 3. And at the end, we get 7. So first step of this addition is count and write. Okay, now look at this picture. So many things are there. Okay, just observe it very carefully. Dog is there. Cats are there. Boys, girls, flowers are there. Right? So first, this exercise is on page number 33 of Math Express. Okay? Now, we will complete this exercise. So, first is number of dog. See? How many dogs are there? 1. And how many cats are there? 2 cats are there. So how many total animals are there in the picture? 2 plus 1, and bring them together, it means 3 animals. Let's see. Number of dogs? 1. Number of cats? 2. And total number of animals are 3. Okay. So next is number of girls and number of boys. So move to the next picture again and just see how many girls are there. Look at their hair. 2 girls are there. And how many boys? 2 boys. So come to our exercise. How many girls? 2 girls. And how many boys? 2 boys. Now you have to do total number of these children. Like 2 girls and 2 boys. Bring them together means, putting the things together means addition. So how many children? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total number of children are 4. Okay. So you have already done this thing, adding 1 to any number. Adding 1 to any number. Like we have number 4 and we want to add 1. Adding means putting the things together. What we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means when we add 1 to a number, when we add 1 to a number, the answer is the number just after. Okay, if you have 4 and then we are adding 1, what is the number just after 4? It's 5. So we get 5. Okay, so I have one video with me in which they are talking about 1 more. You know what is 1 more? More means again you are adding 1 to a certain number. Just see this video.
Look, there are 2 monkeys, Minty and Montu. They both have bananas. Minty has 2 bananas. Montu has 1 more banana than Minty. It means Montu has 3 bananas. When we count 1 forward from a number, we get 1 more than that number. 1 more than number 2 is number 3. Look at Rabbi, the rabbit. He is hopping so happily. I think he has something with him. Look, Rabbi has 4 carrots. He found 1 more carrot. Now he has 5 carrots in all. So we can say that 1 more than 4 is 5. Using the number strip to count forward, we can use the number strip to count forward. When we count forward by ones, the next number that we get is always 1 more than the previous number. Number 7 is the next number after 6. So we say that 1 more than 6 is 7. Similarly, 1 more than 3 is 4. Now, what is 1 more than 0? 1 more than 0 is 1. Wasn't it fun learning with my friends Minty, Montu and Rabbi? Hope you all had fun.
So here is our exercise that is on page number 3434 of Math Express. Okay, so I'm reading the question and after that at the same time you can do this thing. Rima's necklace gets broken. Rima's necklace, you know what is necklace? Gets broken. She strings the separated beads and adds a few more beads to it. Few more beads to it. Help her by drawing one bead at each stage. Every time we have to add one bead, okay, by drawing that bead first and then count and fill in the boxes. Now look at the first picture. How many beads are there? Can you count it? One, two, three, four. And one more bead. See how you will draw the bead? You will make a circle like this and then color it blue. It means you are taking one more bead. So after that, what she has? 5 beads in total. Okay. Now look at the next picture. Already, if she has 5 beads and one more bead she draws like this, then how many beads she has now? Yes, one more means the next number. If she has 5 beads, one more means the next number 6. Now in the next line, she has 6 beads. And when we draw one more bead like this, then how many beads she has? 6 and one more. One more means the next number. What is the next number of 6? 7. Right. Now again, if she has 7 bead and she is taking one more bead. Now, how many beads she has? 8. Obviously, if she has 7, one more means the next number. And the next number of 7 is 8. Wow. Now, at last, she has 8 beads. And if she take one more bead like this, then she has, what is the next number of 8? It's 9. So now she has in total 9 beads in her necklace. So read that statement with me. There were 4 beads in the broken necklace. How many beads were there in the broken necklace? 4. Okay. Now, Rima added dash more beads to it. Now, first count how many more beads you have drawn and how many more beads she added. 1 blue, 2 blue, 3 blue, 4 blue, and 5 blue. It means Rima added 5 more beads to it. Now, then there were how many beads in total? Look at the last box. How many total beads she has now? 9. It means what we are doing? We are doing addition of 1 again and again. Okay? So, whenever we add 1 to any number, then we will get the next number. And that plus 1, we can also say 1 more. If you say 1 more of any number, that it means you are talking about the next number. Again, we have one exercise on page 35 of our Math Express. On page 35, 35. This is again addition of 1. You can add with the help of fingers also, but as I taught you, whenever you are adding 1, it means you are talking about the next number. So we will follow that thing, okay? So come to the A part. One boat and one more boat. See, one boat and one more boat is two. One boat, two boat. Right? We can count the picture and then we can write. And the second method is adding one means plus one. Adding one means plus one. So we can write one boat plus one, we will get two. That is already done for you. So let's move to the B part. Beautiful butterflies. Wow. Now count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 butterflies are there. Now the question is 7 and one more butterfly. See, 7 and one more butterfly. More means, one more means the next number. So what will come after this 7? 8. So 1 more and 7 butterfly is 8. So we can write like this: 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Now what about the pumpkins? Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. 3 pumpkins are there. Now the question is 3 pumpkins and 1 more pumpkin. 1 more means the next number. What is the next number of this 3? 4. So 3 pumpkins and 1 more pumpkin is 4. And how you will write in mathematics with the help of numbers? Yes, 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Got my point? 1 more means the next number. Keep it in your mind. 1 more means the next number. Okay, now count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pencils and 1 more. What is the number next to 6? 7. So we have 7 pencils in all. And how you will write with the help of numbers? 6 plus 1 equals 7. Wow, now you can do it. Now the E part, paper pins. Okay, so count the paper pins. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now 1 more means the next number. So 4 pins were there. 1 more pin, if we add, then it is equals to 5 pins. Good. And when we will write it in our notebooks with the help of numbers, we can write 4 plus 1 equals 5. Easy now? Now there is no need to take out your fingers. In your mind you can do it. Okay? Okay? Now we will fold our arms and we will count with the help of our mind. About how you will count it? Then next number concept. So how many rabbits are there? 2 rabbits. So tell me, 2 rabbits and 1 more rabbit. 1 more means the next number. So what is the next number of 2? Yes, it's 3. And when you will write this thing with the help of numbers, that is 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Now, last, count the number of leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 leaves are there. So So 8 leaves and one more leaf. 8 leaves and one more leaf. What is the number that comes next to 8? It's 9. So our answer is 9. And how you will write in your notebooks with the help of numbers? That is 8 plus 1. That is equals to 9. Understood? So adding 1 means that you are talking about the next number to whatever the number you have right now. Got my point? So shall we move to the next topic? Okay. So our next topic is adding 0. What do you mean by this 0? 0 means nothing. So this is one fact that when we add 0 to a number, listen, when we add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. Like 2 plus 0. When we add these two at the end, we get again 2. It means 2 plus 0 will give you again 2, the number itself. Okay, first just see what do you mean by 0. Okay, so 5 birds. Look at the picture, first picture. 5 birds, they are sitting on a branch. Okay, now 2 birds fly away. 5 were there, and out of this 5, 2 birds fly away. How many are left? On the branch, now there is only 3 birds. Okay, now listen, 3 birds are there. Now again, out of these 3, 2 birds fly away. Out of this 3, 2 birds fly away. Then how many are left now? Look at the branch and tell me how many are left now? Only 1. But if this remaining bird also flies away, if this remaining bird or the single bird, if it flies away, now the branch is empty. What do you mean by empty? Nothing is there. No bird is there. Then when we say no bird is there, nothing is there. So no, nothing. When we say these kind of words, it means we are talking about 0. So we can say that there are no birds or 0 birds left on the branch. Okay, so here is one video related to this concept of adding 0. We will first watch it, then we will do some questions. Okay, let's move on.
Good day, kids.
Good day, ma'am.
Today we will learn about addition with 0. Let's see what Madam Giraffe and Miss Caterpillar are up to. Miss Caterpillar has 4 muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Madam Giraffe has brought no muffins. Together they have 4 muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you understand? 0 means nothing. A number does not change if we add 0 to it. Did you understand? Great. Now let's see another example. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 1, 2. Hi kids, how are you today? Great! Let's do something fun. Let's open 2 fingers of right hand, make a fist with left hand with no finger open. Now add how many fingers are open in both the hands. 2, right? Ha ha ha!
Ha ha ha!
Did you enjoy? Yes! Bye kids! Have a great day! See you soon!
Did you enjoy? Great. So here is one more exercise that is on page number 3535 in Math Express only. So adding 0 means adding nothing to it. If you will not add anything to a particular thing, it means you are getting the same thing again. Like, look at the picture, 5 raspberries are there. And if you add 0 raspberries, means you are not adding anything, nothing you are adding. So how many strawberries you have at the end? Again the same. You have 5 raspberries. So how you will write it? We will write it like this. 5 plus 0 equals to 5, the number itself. Now your question is, fill in the boxes and do this exercise, and first one is done for you. So let's move to the B part. Look at the B part and tell me the first number. Yes, 5. If you have 5 fingers, if you have 5 fingers like this, plus 0 means you are adding nothing. You are adding nothing to this 5. Then how many fingers you have at the end? Again, the same number. So we will write 5 in this box. Understood? It means if you are having any number like 5 or 6 or 8, and if you are adding 0 to it, it means we are adding nothing. When you add nothing to any number, you will get that number itself. Okay, now come to the C part. 8 plus 0 equals to, tell me, the next number or the same number? What we are adding? 0 we are adding. So if we add 0 to 8, what we will get? The number itself or the next number? Yes, the number itself. So there is no need to add, no need to take out your fingers like this. These facts are really very helpful to you to do the mental calculation. So last is D, 0 plus 9. Again, you can say that 0 plus 9 is equals to the 9 plus 0, as you have learned earlier also. When you change the place of the numbers, the answer will remain same. So if you are adding 9 to 0, what you will get? The next number? No, the same number. Yes, we will get the same number. Now I think all of you understood about this addition of 0 and 1. So we have quiz time. See, in this quiz time, I will ask you 4 questions. Okay. And at the end, if your answer is correct, then what we will do? We will give you 1 star for it. Okay. So let's start. Look at the first question and read with me. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. Just remind all the facts that we have learned today. We are adding 1 or we are adding 0? we are adding 1. Okay, now just move on. When we add 1 to any number, what we will get? We will get the next number. Now option is 3. Now tell me, 3 is the next number after 4. What about B? B is 5. Is this 5 is the next number? Yes, this 5 is next to number 4. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Yay! Clap yourself. And now you get the star. This is our first star. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Read the question. 8 plus dash. Dash means you have to write here from these options. Either 1 or 4 or 0. Okay. So 8 plus dash is equals to 8. Now here is one thing. First number is also 8. At the end we are getting 8. So how can it be possible if we are adding something and we are getting the same number? When we get the same number, tell me. Look at the option number A, that is 1. It means when we add this 1 to 8, we get again 8. What about B? 4. If you add 8 and 4, you will get that 8. No. It means if we add nothing to 8, then we will get 8. Nothing means 0. It means our C option is correct. So 8 plus 0 equals to A. Yippee! You got one more clap for this answer. And one star also. Now all of us, we have 2 stars with us. Then let's move to the next question. Dash plus 0. It means plus 0 means we are adding 0 to some number. Okay. Now as an answer we have 7. So when we are adding 0, it means we are getting the same number. It means what will come at the first blank? A option 0. Let's do calculation. 0 plus 0 is 7. No. Now look at the B part. 7 plus 0 equals to 7. Let's do it. 7 plus 0. It means we are adding 0 to 7. Yes. If we add 0 to 7, then we will get the same answer, 7. Wow. Get a clap. And one more star. 3 stars now. Okay. Last question is a little bit tricky. Just see. Read this. 6 equals dash plus dash. Oh my God. Here 2 numbers are missing. So how we will get that these 2 numbers? Look at the A part. Let's do the calculation like this. It's 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. It means if we are adding 1 to 4, we will get 6. What we will get? We will get the next number. It's 5. It means A is not the option. Now move to the B part. 5 plus 0. It means we have 5 things and we are adding 0 to it. It means the answer itself. Here is answer 6. It means B is not the correct option. Now move to the last. It's 5 plus 1. If you have 5, you are adding 1. What we will get? We will get the next number. And the next number is 6. Wow. It means we get our answer. We got our answer 5 plus 1. And here we go. Yippee, very good. And there is your star. Wow. It means you all are understood. You all have understood about addition of 0 and addition of 1. Very nicely. So can you do all these 3 pages by yourself in your Math Express book? Yes, now you can. So everybody, we are at the end. Hope you enjoyed a lot and have a nice day. We will meet soon in our next class. Okay?